The question says in the given chemical reaction, identify the product. Okay, identify the product. Now pay attention very carefully. This reaction is going to be very interesting. Why? Because you can see we have a alcohol. Alcohol is reacting with a halogenating agent. So in this case, what happens? Whenever the halogenating agent is reacting with alcohol, OH group is substituted by halogen. Okay, Cl is there. Obviously, Cl will come in place of OH. Okay. And why this reaction is quite specific? Pay attention very carefully. Let's say if we have alcohol is there, this is ROH is there, ROH, and when SOCl2 is there, SOCl2, only SOCl2, halogenating agent. Some other halogenating agents we have PCl3, PCl5 is there. Okay, so out of these three only we have a halogenating agent, most preferred halogenating agent. Okay, so what will happen? OH will be substituted by Cl, so we get the product alkyl halide is there. Okay. And keep in mind, when only halogenating agent SOCl2 is participating in the reaction, then this will be SN1 reaction. Always keep in mind, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Again, nucleophilic substitution reaction, and this is an example of SN1 reaction. And one more thing, in case of SN1 reaction, what kind of product is formed? We have the retention product. Okay, there will not be any change in the configuration of the carbon atom. Okay, retention product is there. Only substitution of the group will take place, but other atoms, a group attached to the central element, will have retain the same position. But I change the situation. Let's say alcohol is there, we have the halogenating agent SOCl2, but if we have the pyridine there, if the reaction is carried out in the presence of pyridine, so keep in mind the product will be same, RCl is there, but this reaction will be taking place under SN2 mechanism, and in this case we get the inversion product. Inversion product is there. So what we have learned, in case of SN1 retention product is formed, and in case of SN2 inversion product is formed, to avoid the steric hindrance. Okay, what is the condition? Only SOCl2 SN1 reaction. SOCl2 participating in the reaction in the presence of pyridine, then reaction will be taking place according to SN2 reaction mechanism, and final product will be inversion product. Always keep in mind. So you can see in this reaction we do not have pyridine, means this is what SN1 reaction. We have SN1 reaction. Reaction will be taking place SN1 according to SN1, and we have the final product will be retention. The position of the group attached to the carbon will be same. Okay, so what will happen? This OH will be replaced by Cl. So in general, you can see in place of OH we are getting Cl, and remaining atoms are in their same position. Remaining atoms are in the same position. Very interesting question. Okay, SOCl2, only SOCl2 reacting with alcohol. You can see reaction is SN1 and retention product is found. But in case if SOCl2 is participating in the reaction in the presence of pyridine, then reaction will take place according to SN2 mechanism, forming inversion product. Option A is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.